Hello, guys. I got a spirit-led message. This is, something that came to me. I've already dealt all the cards out. And I'm going to tell you some of the names that came to me that I was given. Carson, Millie, Claire, Wade, Donovan. I was getting Baton Rouge and Louisiana coming through. All right. I got exercise, your judgment. Okay. Exercise your knowledge. All right. We got remove and replace coming through, but told not to be afraid. All right. Because what we have coming through is we got a lot of different things. We got the Queen of Cups coming through. Okay. So there's been stuff that's been poured out. All right. But it's come back around. That knowledge is there. Because underneath we have the Seven of Cups. All right. There's that smoke. Someone's been blowing smoke. Stacks of smoke. All right. But that knowledge, that inner seeking, that inner knowing, okay, is there. Okay, I get the Queen of Cups, motherly type energy that's coming through, all right? Undoubtedly, and I'm getting a father type stuff with this as well, okay? Coming through. We got the Nine of Pentacles, all right? Right there, okay? Watchful, all right? Being watchful, okay? Because someone's trying to blow the smoke over this, okay? Trying to blow smoke over you, all right? Trying to swallow you up, okay? And come with that. But we got around the corner, we have the Three of Wands, all right, coming through. We have the watchful eye and all of this. We have the moon at night, okay? So the moon, okay? And we have this birthing, okay? So we have something birthing, okay? That has been coming through. And when it comes to justice, okay, when we have this, we also have, okay, right here, we have the lawyer, and what I'm getting from this card with the pursuer of justice, this is the defense, okay? I'm getting stacks of information, and there's one piece of crucial information that's right there, and the scale is weighing heavier on the defense side right here is what I'm getting, okay? Like tip over. There's so much evidence on the defense side right now, okay? Coming through because we have a swindler in here, all right? Okay, that card coming through with deception. So there has been someone who's been walking around, okay, with a mask. What I'm getting is you got a madman, okay? I'm getting brown hair and red hair, okay, coming through. Like maybe even someone who's dyed their hair red, okay, but it's naturally dark brown. They got a mark on their nose, okay, like a scratch, and they've also got a nose ring. Their faces broke out. They have actually been using foundation to try to cover it. But there is a detective that is come about, all right, who is the person who is looking and seeking. And not only is it that detective, it's the police. The police are watching this, okay? The police know this. The challenge is your courage, okay? There's courage coming from you because there's a test thing that you're going to have to go through. You're going to have to go through who this is specifically for, through the courts. But I'm also getting the person with like this Queen of Cup type energy I'm getting, okay? And I'm also getting like, the man energy associated definitely with this card. But I'm getting someone who has a bandage around their wrist as if they maybe broke their wrist, because I'm getting a fracture of some sort, okay, coming through also with this person who is dealing with these issues that has come forth. But I definitely see it coming through, okay? And I'm getting bussing coming through, like I'm bussing through, okay? Bussing through all of the confusion and flying above the confusion, okay? Because I do see light coming through. I've got that coming through with the Two of Pentacles, all right? So I see bussing and coming through. I've got an old energy coming through, okay? Like an old person coming through. I do have old soul that also came through with my cards that I was reading. And we have the Hierophant, okay? I got Booker of knowledge, okay? Seeker of knowledge, taking notes, all right? And doing that and doing a little bit of study when it comes to things, okay, is what I have gotten, okay? And like something broken, but it's going to be pieced and keyed, okay? The keys are coming together, all right? So what I see also with this card, okay, and we have the Two of Wands, okay, someone sad, someone who's up at night, okay, and can't quite sleep, and they're trying to holster and hold it all together, okay? But there is someone who has been very crooked, okay? They have not been what they claim to be, all right? And they have caused frenzy and things to go on and stuff, all right? Which is not very good energy. But what we do have coming around is with Don't Be Afraid, the energy that I was getting too, okay? And I got happy with this, okay? Because not only do you have the person who's broke bonds, okay? And they've been a little crooked with what they've been doing, okay? And I'm getting that more of an energy of someone like, okay, they've got on they're known for having like a leather type jacket, but it is like torn, okay? Almost not really torn, but it's got like markings in it as it's old, okay? It's even, maybe if it's not even like, maybe even a pleather jacket is what I'm getting, but I'm getting at like the arm part. It's where you can see where the leather has been worn, okay? And the person wearing gloves and stuff when they were doing certain things, okay? It's going to come to light, all right? All right, I'm getting the number 3 really popping out at here for me. I was getting Aquarius, Cancer energy coming through, all right? And the other one I was getting was Capricorn. And definitely Truth Seeker was something else, okay? So we got those energies that are stemming through. I was also getting something with a dog that's got one leg, okay, that's darker than the other, that's in the front. Same thing with the ear. One ear that's darker than the other, okay, and one ear that is lighter than the other. For some reason, I was getting Priscilla. I was looking at a cat, and I seen Priscilla as that name came to me. Now I'm trying to get back here for other things that was coming to me. You have the knight who is coming in, okay? So we have the battle and the armor. So you do have a knight, someone coming in to defend you, all right? Along with the security, okay? Coming through. So that is coming for you, all right? When it comes to this law that you have going on, all right? And loyalty. So you have the keeper of honor coming through. And also we have the knight of wands coming through, all right? So we do have that coming through. All right, so seek the knowledge of an older soul, okay? But what I'm getting is this person who is doing this conspiracy and doing this swindling is an older person, okay? But you have a younger type person, okay, coming through that night who's ready, okay? And they have been keeping watch as well, all right? And that knight is ready to take all of that has been coming, all right? And there's that knight right there again, that energy coming through. All right, coming to you, all right? They know something. This knight knows a thing or two, okay? And they've got some secrets, too, that they have been keeping, that they know about, because they've been trying to get to the bottom of this issue to help you as well when it comes to the, okay, police and the detective and all of this coming through for this case that is coming up. Okay, and yeah, something about water, kept underwater, something to do with kept underwater as well, coming through onto this reading here. All right, and some other things I was getting, like that song, "Would not believe your eyes if a million fireflies lit up the night as you fell asleep." Okay. Because there is going to be some information you'll be getting in your dreams. You'll be getting in your sleep, okay, in regards to this matter and the smoke stuff that is stemming and that is brewing through is all going to be coming to a halt. But once it is all done into a halt, I am hearing you will be receiving something. Okay, what was lost, okay? Okay, with the money that was swindled, all right, swindled away from this, okay, the money swindled away, all right, because I got hawk, but I also got badger, okay, I was getting badger, like seeing like a badger, okay, that animal, and at first I had seen like a fox, but a badger, like badgering, and I was getting badger like witness, okay, like a witness being badgered, okay, and feeling badgered, all right, and that is because that is the person who is the person that was doing the betrayal and all of that. They really badgered you and tried to make you feel like, okay, you had to in certain things and do certain things a certain way. They really did. They did that to you. They kept badgering you and badgering you and badgering you till you felt like your winded was like, like, okay, I'm feeling exhausted. But then I'm getting you overcoming that, because with this card you are overcoming that, all right? And all of that. And you are definitely going to, yes. Let's see, what else do we got, Spirit, to come through here? I am the knight of your honor. I'm getting something, okay, with like that. It has to, I'm trying to think here. Bryan Adams. There's a song by Bryan Adams that's coming to me right now, okay? About a knight, okay? From Bryan Adams. And I'm told you should play that song too, all right? I'll fight for your honor, okay? All right, so that knight is coming through for you guys, okay? And remember, okay, the energy that people that I was getting was Aquarius, okay? So we got Aquarius, Capricorn, and we got Cancer energy coming through. Cancer, the loyal of the family. Aquarius, we know they are the ones that are imaginative and all of that. And then, of course, there's more when it comes to that, because you got waters signs, 2 of them in here, okay, coming in with that, and Capricorn, all right? I'm getting be stilled by the night too. Be stilled by the night, okay? Be stilled, stand your guard, all right? And that there is a provider that is coming through, okay? Because they've been watching the situation. They've been watching you. You might not quite know about it, but they are, okay? And they're ready to blow all of the stacks of stuff, okay? They're ready to blow it all, okay? And the lid, so all that, okay, that was going, the light is going to be, and people are going to see this, okay? It's going to be forthright, all right? And I'm getting with this, so I'm seeing like the moon, and I got like the 2 towers. One is completely like as if it's definitely bent and crooked, but the other one is wrapped all around, and it's really good, and it's firm, and it's sound, okay? So there's one side of the story that's definitely, okay, going to go under, okay, when it flips, okay? So they will not be able to hold anymore what they thought this person, okay, and this madman. I'm going to show you the madman, okay? This is the madman behind the mask, all right? This madman, okay? And the one who's been doing the betraying, okay? All right? Is not going to be able to do that anymore, all right? They will not be able to at all. Okay, guys? So what I am seeing is looking forward, looking ahead, all right? On the situation, okay? I was also getting something with someone having like a rim on a tire or a car, okay, that needs looked at, because it's going to lead to a flat tire, okay? So someone did something to someone's car. They did something to a tire, and I'm getting like, if your rim, your balance is off a little bit on your car, okay, that was the person who was doing the deceiving and everything else too, all right? And there's going to be some proof, okay? There's photos that have been taken and stuff that this person doesn't realize, okay, that have been done. So there's one piece of key evidence that's going to be in a photo. I'm being told that'll be in a photo, and it's in a smaller size photo. But that photo is going to speak volumes when it comes to this court case, okay? So definitely speak to an advisor, okay? Definitely, you need to, all right? And take notes, all right, with what's coming with this, all right? And pay attention. Okay, and that's what I'm getting for you guys, okay? So there's definitely going to be a court case thing coming up, but it's not looking good on the person who did wrong to you whatsoever, okay? Because I'm seeing wise eyes, okay? And I'm seeing them seeing all of it coming around. So yes, you've got some people on your side, okay? Coming through. And you above all the storm, all the clouds, all of that. I see you just gliding and right through, but I see that smoke like all sucking back in. Okay, coming down and sucking in. All right. So that smoke is all going to be gone. It's going to be cleared. Okay, I'm getting a clearing coming through. I'm getting past all the smoke. There is a clearing. There's going to be a light and all this coming through. Okay, and let me look more here. Do not be misconstrued, is what I'm being told. Do not be misconstrued, okay? Keys are going to balance. Keys are going to balance. Okay? That's definitely what I am getting. And this knight has been listening to things too. This knight has been listening and eavesdropping. So there's been eavesdropping going on too. So I'm getting maybe with your phone and things like that, they've been able to hear conversations that have been going on too. So they've done some of that when it comes to gathering their information, okay, at will. So I just want to let you know that's going to be the end of the reading, but I want you to be prepared because there's going to be a court case coming for who this reading is meant for, all right? And I'm also getting the name Jennifer as another name that just now came to me. I'm getting Activia, okay, like maybe even Activia, the yogurt, but I'm getting that coming through, all right? But I'm definitely getting removal, replacing, okay? So replacing all of what was is going to be replaced. So that money will be replaced back to you is what I am getting. Okay, that deception, that deed that was done, it will be replaced, okay? You will be getting it all and you will be standing guarded because your knight, okay? Your knight is there, okay? Right there, okay? Coming through, all right? And that's it, guys. So, my love to you all. Oh, and also, I want to add in here something else I forgot to add, sorry. Is feathers, okay? I'm getting like a big feather, okay? When you're coming across, you'll be seeing that. Okay, big feather. Okay, know that as a past loved one coming through. I'm getting grandpa, okay? With a big, huge feather coming through, all right? And quails, something to do with quails, all right, coming through. As I am seeing that, and foxtrot is also coming through. And the energy of grandpa, all right? So yes. What was in this matter old too, I'm getting was old, like it's been going on for a long time, this thing, but now it's finally coming to light because this is something from in the past too that happened to you, all right? And what is now finally being brought to justice, okay? It's finally coming through. Love ya.